Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Complete the exercise 7.4 5 problems. So, next one, sixth problem. Determine the number of 5 chord combinations. Number of 5 chord, determine the number of 5 chord combination, 5 chords. Number of 5 chord, 5 chord combination, 5 chord combination and 5 chords. Determine the number of 5 chord combinations out of a deck of 52 chords. Out of a deck of 52 chords. The total chords are 52. So 52 chords. Total chords are 52. Total chords are 52. 52 chords. Okay. If there is exactly one os in each combination, there is exactly one os. In 5 combinations, os plus 4 chords. So each 5 chords, select 5 chords, 5 chord combination. In 5 chords must be one os is there, must be one os. So already 5 chords, 5 chord combination. In 5 chord combination, os, one os fixed. So one os fixed means totally os. How many oses are there in total chords? In total chords 52 chords. In 52 4 sets. Okay, each set contain one os. So 4 chords 4C1, 1 os, 1 os. Okay, os is 1. So for how many os's totally? Os's 4. So remaining chords 48. E 48 chords in the how many? Remaining 4 chords. Totally 5 chords. 1 os fixed. Okay. One os already in total in 5 chords 1 os fixed means we have to select. Okay, we have to select only 4 chords because of 5th chord is fixed. 5th chord is os chord is fixed. Total all combination. Okay, all combination os chord is fixed. Os chord fixed means we have to select only 4 chords. We have to select only 4 chords because of one chord already fixed. So we have to select how many chords? 4 chords. 4 chords are selected from how many chords? 48 chords because of the total 52 chords. 4 chords 52. 52 is equal to 4 plus 48. 4 os's remaining 48. So os's are selected from 4 os's. Remaining 4 chords are selected from 48 chords. Remaining 4 chords are selected from 48 chords. So this is by the fundamental principle 4C1 into 48C1. Okay, 5 chords are drawn combination. In 5 chord combination 1 os was fixed. 1 os was fixed. The remaining 4 chords are selected from remaining 48 chords. So total 52 chords, 4 os's are there. So 52 minus 4 is equal to 48. 48C2. Okay, this is the 6th problem. The number of ways of selecting os from 4 os's equal to 4C1. 4C1 is equal to 4. The number of ways of selecting 4 cards from remaining 48 cards. So 48 to C4, 48 to C4. Okay, so by the fundamental principle of counting, therefore total number of 5 card combination, are 4C1 into 48 to C4. 4C1 equal to 4, 48 to C4 is equal to 48 C4 is equal to 48 factorial by 44 factorial into 4 factorial. So this is the answer is 778,320 is. Okay, you have to calculate. Next, 7th problem. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11? You have to select a cricket team of how many members in cricket team? 11 players, 11 of 11 from 17 players, 11 players from 17. Okay, number of cricket teams 11 players cricket team from 17 players are there. Okay, 17 players are there. In which only 5 players can bowl. 5 bowlers can bowl in 17. Okay, in 17 or in 11 players, total 11, compulsory 5 bowlers. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl? If each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 5 bowlers. So in totally 17 players are there. In 17 players 5 bowlers. In 17 5 bowlers compulsory. In 17 players can bowl 5 members only. Bowlers 5 members. In 17 players, totally 7 players are given. In these 7 players, cricket team, select a cricket team, 11 players cricket team. In 17 players, 5 players are bowlers. So 5 bowlers and remaining 12 batsmen. Okay, totally 17 players. In 75 bowlers and 12 batsmen. Okay, so condition is there. What is the condition? In cricket team of 11 must include exactly 5 bowlers. Include exactly 4 bowlers. In 11 players team, it must be exactly 4 bowlers are there. Okay, 4 bowlers will there. So 4 bowlers will there means bowlers are selected from total bowlers. Total bowlers how many? 5 total bowlers are there. So 4 bowlers remaining how many? 7 players. 7 plus 4 11. Must be 4 bowlers. Remaining how many batsmen? Remaining all rounder something anything. But here mention is only bowler is one. The remaining 12 members all rounders batsmen is anyone is there. So 5 bowlers. Bowlers are selected from total bowlers. So 5. How many bowlers will there? 4 bowlers. 5C4. So 4 bowlers are selected. The remaining how many? 7. 7 plus 4 is equal 11. 4 bowlers are selected. The remaining 7 members selected from remaining 12 members. Remaining 12 members. So the number of ways selecting number of ways of selecting 4 bowlers from 5 bowlers is 5C4. 5C4 is equal to 5 ways. Okay. The remaining, the number of ways of selecting 7 members remaining 7 members select from 12 members is 12C7. Totally 7 players team. 7 players team, 4 bowlers must be included. 4 bowlers. First bowlers. Bowlers are selected from total bowlers. How many bowlers are there in the 7 members? 5 bowlers are there. In 5 bowlers, 4 bowlers are selected. How many ways? 5 ways. 4 bowlers selected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. This is different types. 4, 5 ways. So in the 11 members, 4 bowlers are selected. Remaining players, how many remaining players? 7 remaining players. The 7 remaining players are selected from remaining players. Remaining players, how many? 12 members. 12C7. So total number of selections, the total number of ways are 5C4 into 12C7. 5C4 is equal to 5 into 12 factorial by 12 minus 7 factorial and 5 into 7 factorial. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into by 8 into 7 factorial by 12 minus 7, 5 factorial into 7 factor, 7 is 7 factor. 5 factorial is nothing but 5 4s 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. 120 means so the 20 into 10 cancel. So remaining, this is 55. So that is equal to 5 into 9 into 8 72. 72 11s, 11 2 22, 11 7 77, 79. 5 into 792 into 5. So 5 2s 10, 9 45, 46, 35, 39. So that is equal to 3960 ways. 3960 ways. Next to 8th problem. Okay, clear? A bag contain 5 black and 6 red ball. A bag contain 5 black and 6 red balls. A, a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red ball can be selected. 2 black and 3 red balls. 3 red balls selected. So totally how many black balls are there? 5 black balls, 6 red balls. So which one you have to select? 2 black balls. 2 black balls are selected from 5 black balls. 3 red balls are selected from 6 red balls. Okay, clear. So the number of ways of selecting 2 black from 5 black balls is 5 black balls to select from 2, 5C2. 5C2 is equal to 5 into 4, 20. 20 by 20, 10 ways. Next, the number of ways of selecting 3 red from 6 red balls is 6C3. 6C3 is equal to 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 means 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2. So 20. So total number of ways or total number of selections are 5C2 into 6C3. 10 into 20 is equal to 200 ways. Okay, clear? Simple problems. Up to 6 to 9 problems are same model problems. Okay, clear? Same model problems. 9th. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses? How many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses? How many? 5 courses. Choose 5 courses. Choose 5 courses. Okay, total course, how many courses? So 5 courses we have to choose. The total number of courses are there. 9 courses are available. 9 courses are available. And 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. 2 specific courses. Totally 5 courses are, choose 5 courses. In 5 courses, 2 courses are specific courses, common course. Like in first PUC, all first PUC students are how many papers? Biology, physics, chemistry, maths, Kannada, English. Okay. So in every arts group or science group, science, totally 6 subjects. We select 6 subjects, 6 courses. In 6 courses, first PUC or second any PUC, in any arts course or science course or any course, the specific courses are there, specific papers are there. Which one is specific papers? English, Kannada. English, Kannada are specific courses, compulsory courses, any course in PUC, arts, science or any course. Okay, any course, the English and Kannada, both courses are compulsory courses. This is not considered because This all are have the two courses. Okay, this is separately don't select by any other courses. Okay, the selection is not need not be selected because this is specific courses, all are common courses. So we have to select four courses, four subjects. English, Kannada, remove the English, Kannada. The remaining four, science students, biology, maths, physics, chemistry. All students something history, economics, commerce, something. This is the courses, compulsory courses. So choose 5 courses. Total how many courses are there? 9 courses are there. In 9 courses we have to choose 5 courses. In 5 courses, 2 courses are specific courses. 2 courses are specific courses are compulsory for every student. Compulsory for every student means 5 courses. So 2 courses are compulsory means we have to select 3 courses only. 3 courses from how many courses? 7 courses, because of in totally 9 courses. In 9 courses 2 courses are compulsory. We have to choose 5 courses. In 5 courses also 2 courses are compulsory. So remove 2 courses from 5 and from 9. So totally we have to select totally 7 courses. Select from only 3 courses because 2 courses are already compulsory courses. Okay. Okay. 9 courses are available. 9 courses are available. Out of which 2 are compulsory? Out of 2 are compulsory. Compulsory. The student has to have to choose 3 courses. Has to choose 3 courses from remaining from remaining 7 courses. The student, totally how many courses are there? 9 courses are there. In 9 courses how many courses are selected? 5 courses are we have to select. In 5 courses 2 courses are compulsory, specific courses are, the 2 specific courses are not count. So the courses are available, 9 courses are available out of 2 compulsory. So the student has to choose, have to choose 3 courses. Students mean he. Okay, he has. The student has to choose 3 courses because 2 compulsory courses are there. 3 courses from remaining 7 courses. Okay, so total number of selections. Total number of selections are 7C3. 7C3 is equal to 7 factorial. 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 7 factorial, 7, 6, 5 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 into 2. 4 cancel, 6 cancel. So 140 ways. Okay, 140 ways. So 7.24 completed. So permutation combination chapter 100% completed. So next one of the example problem very important problem about the playing cards. Okay, example problem. Example 9 and 19. Example 19, very important, playing cards. So what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 cards? What is the page number 152? Page number 152. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards? 4 cards from the pack of 52 playing cards. Okay, 4 cards. What's the answer? 4 cards from the 52C4. But the first one, what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 cards? 52 cards in the 4 cards selections. How many times? 52C4. 52C4 means this is the 52C4 is equal to 270725. First bit. This is totally 4 cards. Total any type of cards, 4 cards from total cards 52C4. So next one, conditions are there. 4 cards are of the same suit. 4 cards are of the condition 1 is 4 cards drawn. You have to select 4 cards are of the same suit. So which suit? This is red suit, this is heart suit, the club suit, spade suit, diamond suit is not given any suit. Okay, is particularly not given. This is which type? This type of suit. Select from only this type of suit, not given. So suit is nothing. 4 suits. 4 suits, any suit not given. Means 4 cards are of the same suit. Means 4 cards we have to draw from suit. So which suit? 4 suits. Okay, red diamond suit plus diamond suit plus club suit plus spade suit plus heart suit. So 4 suit we have to select from 4 suits. Okay, so there are 4 suits. There are 4 suits. What are they? There are 4 suits. One heart, club, diamond, spade. There are 4 suit. Okay, there are 4 suit. Each suit have 13 cards. Each suit have 13 cards. Each suit have 13 cards. So first one, the number of ways of selecting number of ways of selecting 4 cards from heart suit is 13C4. Okay, suit is not particularly given, so 4 cards are drawn from suit, same suit. So first suit, diamond heart suit, the 4 cards are drawn from the heart suit 13-4. So next one, the number of 4 cards are selecting from which suit? Club suit. Club suit is also 13C4. Next, totally club suit. Next, diamond suit is also 13C4. Next one, spade suit is also 13C4. Total selections. Total selections are same with 13C4 plus 13C4 plus 13C4 plus 13C4. Ways. This is one way. Suit. Which suit? Heart suit one way. This is same. Club way. The same thing is adding. Okay. That is equal to totally how many? 4C2 is equal to 2860. 2860. So second one is 4 cards belong to the 4 different suits. 4 cards, choose 4 different suits. The first one is also 4 cards. So 4 cards same suit means diamond, club, heart, spade. This is continuously each set, each suit to 4 cards. So 4 cards choose from different suit. Different suit means 1 card, 4 cards. Okay, final ga totally 4 cards. 1 card heart suit. Heart suit how many heart? 13C1 into. Complete agile problem. There is no complete. Don't. Okay. So next heart club suit. 1 card club. Next 1 card diamond. Next 1 card spade. So that is equal to 13 power 4. 13C1 is equal to 13. 4 cards same suit means each suit selected from 4 cards. This is different cards means each suit selected from only single card. Different 4 cards, different cards. Next one. RA face cards. 3-1 RA face cards. 4 cards face cards. How many face cards are there? Each suit have 3 face cards. Totally 4 suits. So 4 into 2, 12. Face card. 12C4. The 4 cards are any cards, so face cards, only face cards. Next, totally 12 face cards. Each suit have 3 face cards. Totally 4 suits. 4 into 3, 12 face cards. In 12 face cards, we have to select 4 face cards. Next one. Fourth one. 2 cards red cards and 2 cards black card. 2 red plus 2 black. So how many red cards are there? 26 red cards. 26 select from 2 cards into 26 black cards. 26 total 4 cards. In 4 cards 2 red cards, 2 black cards. Red cards how many? 26. 26C2 into 26C2. Next, finally, fifth one. Cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color means fifth one. Cards are of the same color. Same color means cards are of the same color. 4 red cards can be selected. Same color means black cards. Black cards plus red cards. Same color, the cards are of the same color means which color? Not given. Black or black color. Black color 4 cards plus red color 4 cards. 20C4 into 20C4. So that is equal to 2 into 26C4. That my answer is 29900. This is 105625. Okay. this is example 19th problem is very important too, so we have to practice perfectly. So now the permutations and combination exercise, 4 exercise each problem completed. So we have to do example problems. So next Sunday permutations and combinations, so exam, Sunday exam 10 o'clock. Okay, clear? So the next chapter is probability. Okay, thank you.